see who's here to wake me up. Okay, catch you guys. She. Lil. Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday and it's Raksha Bandhana. Raksha Bandhana. I have to go to temple today actually. Polali Rajarajeshwari. If you heard of it, really good. If you haven't, I'll ping the location of it in the description. It's in the outskirts of Mangalore. Um, and also one more thing, I don't have my bike here right now. My friend took it. I'm waiting for him actually. Once he comes back, and I'll get ready and go to temple. That's a small update, and see you guys in the temple. And also, yeah, I'm not sure I will be able to shoot inside the temple. I'll try because they will not allow. If possible, I'll shoot something, or else from outside I'll show you the temple. Reach the temple, and yeah, the temple. So I'm in the temple and दर्शन वगैरह हो गया गाइस. दर्शन हो गया. अभी हम बाहर हैं. From inside I couldn't shoot. Okay. That is called Mugli. For this temple we have three and three in the front. And if you're visiting a temple, you should look at those things first. That is the priority. चलो guys, yeah. अभी राखी बांधना है. फिर मिलते हैं. Got it from a jewelry shop.
A few moments later.
Silver rakhi, guys. Silver rakhi.
We are sitting outside the temple. Sweet Bikalia. From here, we're actually going back home. So, yeah. After this, I'm not sure I will shoot anything. It's a small Iraqi
Event.
event.
Bye, guys.
Later that same evening.
We actually came for bike service.
A few moments later.
It's evening, guys. See, I'm like middle of nowhere. There's one guy, company. You know, all this is landslides because of rain. No. So from temple, we came directly to home. We came back to home, and we were there for half an hour. Then we had a plan of having lunch in Mangalore, okay? But for some reason, I had to cancel that. She's actually mad for that. Sorry. Yeah, that was not my intention to cancel it, but I had to. And yeah, I was 2 months delayed from my bike service. I had to keep it for service 2 months back only. I didn't. For some reason, I couldn't keep, and started making some noises and all.
Oh, okay.
As I was saying, I was delayed by 2 months and I had to keep it for bike service. From there, I took a bus and went back to home. After in the evening, again came back, and yeah, here is my bike, and हो गया भाई, service हो गया, service is done, and yeah, now I'm going back home. I didn't go back to Mangalore, and from there I have to go to temple. Before that, I have to give sweets to my sisters. See, there are two more Rakhis, right? That is for my other two sisters. I have so many sisters. Yeah, and yeah, that's a small update, and see you guys in the temple actually. So guys, it's a night time and end of this vlog. So I'm going to end the vlog right here. I came to another temple, so I'm not going to shoot inside. Okay. So good night, guys. I'm actually wearing a lungi, guys. Lungi lungi.